If you're the kind of person that wants to bring your cooking levels from complete noob to advanced, then this video is for you. You'll learn 8 essential cooking techniques from braising, sous-vide, roasting, all the way to making the silkiest, most vibrant carrot puree. This is my version of duck breast with roasted carrots recipe. Always start with the mise en place that takes the longest to do, and in this case it's going to be the carrot puree. The secret to my perfect carrot puree is cooking it sous-vide. All that flavor is locked into the sous-vide bag. So while those are cooking, I know that turnips are a great flavor pairing with not only carrots but duck. So we're going to start off by boiling these and I'll show you how to finish them later. So these are the carrots we're going to be roasting today. We're going to do it very simply, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt, honey, and thyme. Once they're ready to go, throw them in the oven at 160 Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown on the outside and fully cooked on the inside. Moving on to our cara and blood oranges. We're going to be juicing these, straining them through a fine mesh sieve. After cutting the outer skin, we're going to be going around the membrane, getting perfect little pieces. Fill up your blender halfway with those sous-vide carrots and the juice inside. Blend it on full speed until buttery smooth. Salting your endives or radicchio in advance will remove some of that bitter flavor. Giving these a nice char and pairing them with the blood orange gives a nice complexity and flavor. The way I'm cooking duck breast nowadays is I score the skin ahead of time and I start low and slow so we can render all that fat down. I then crank up the heat, try to get some Maillard reaction on all the actual meat before crisping up the skin, throwing it in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now that the duck is fully cooked, we're going to deglaze the pan with leftover orange juice and some honey. Of course, we're going to finish with some butter. Same goes for our turnips. We're going to use some vegetable stock and some butter to create a simple glaze to make these things shine. I prefer cooking my duck medium rare, and I like that the flavor pairings we chose go well with summer. So there's carrots, there's blood orange, there's endives. Those are classic flavor pairings. Then I added the thyme, the honey, and the turnips, keeping it simple. If you've tried this recipe at home, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're interested in some other recipes, check one of these, and I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.